The Philadelphia Flyers just got shut out by the Carolina Hurricanes up in Philadelphia. The final score was 5-0. Scott Morrow got his first NHL goal. But on the stream, now mind y'all, I'm just a lady in the South sitting on my couch watching hockey on my 1999 internet stream. In the Flyers shoot twice zone behind the Flyers goalie, there was a whole section that was just empty. I didn't notice it until the third period, but by the end of the second period, it's the end of the second period, and so much has happened in the first 40 minutes of this game. Both Stanky and Janky have scored, but they called back Logan Stankoven's goal because it was offsides. Captain Stahl crossed the line before the puck did. Now, Jankowski is on Hattie watch, but did y'all see when Abols yeeted Jankowski into the Flyers bench, and only Jankowski was the one that got sat down in the penalty box? Carolina Hurricanes fans, I have a question for y'all. If y'all watched tonight's game or watched the playback, do we boo as much as the Flyers fans are booing tonight? Now, mind y'all, I have not been to the big laptop since the Hurricanes played the Sharks late last year, but I noticed the Flyers fans are booing everything. They boo every time the Hurricanes score. They boo every time the announcer announces the goal. I even noticed they were booing when the Flyers were on the power play. Y'all, this game is real interesting. Right now, the Hurricanes up 4-0. We'll see what happens in the third period, y'all. One thing I found so interesting about the third period is the Flyers never went empty net. They kept their goalie in the net all the way to the end of the game, and I thought that was so interesting. Quiet as it's kept, y'all, I'm trying to figure out why this win over the Flyers is feeling like one of the most pivotal wins of the entire hockey season. Did y'all watch the game? I'm just curious if anybody else heard the Flyers fans booing as much as I heard it at home. I was like, maybe I'm tripping. But I was like, oh my God, they're just booing everything. And they even booed that second time that the Flyers went on the power play. It sounded like they were booing. I was like, are they booing the Hurricanes or are they booing their own team? There was so much happening in this game tonight, y'all. And for some reason, I'm feeling like this was one of the most pivotal games for the Hurricanes, especially since the trade deadline. Did y'all watch tonight's game? What do y'all think? Okay, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.